7 fucking 49, Stained on Bombs, Part N. So in TileBoy, within the TileBoy editor put U32 function, that also takes a right area mask to modify which bits are being set down. If we go down here, we made the fix to make the game update correctly visually when we click into the canvas. So right here, this is going to mark the texture memory as dirty at this location, the location that we are editing, the data pixel component address, the pixel that we're modifying. Also, when we call this, a side effect of this should be to mark our texture memory as dirty. So this should be a truthy value, and if it's falsy, then we're going to throw an error. Okay, in this TileBoy function that takes these three variables and bit packs them together into a uint32 binary payload, inside this function we have not changed the functionality, but there was something annoying the fuck out of me. It was annoying the fuck out of me. Now we're only going to see it when logging is turned on for TileBoy. Hurrah! Okay, mouse master editor put. So the put U32 when the engine is behaving as an editor. We moved up the tile size exponent and layer to the top of the file in this new section here. And then also we've added this glass panel override section. When we are in editor controller 2, which is the glass panel editor, we should only be laying tiles onto the BOM layer. So we're going to override. We're going to override this layer to layer 1, which is the BOM layer. And then we're going to assert that indeed 1 is the BOM layer and the layer is indeed the BOM layer. We're going to make sure that everything's correct, right? Hard code to the BOM layer. Check our assumptions. Okay, down here. We're still in the same function, but we've stripped out this code. We're going to delete this code later, and we're going to delete this code later as well, because the tile size and layer has been moved up to the top of the file. And here's what we did previously, and then footnotes and stuff, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go to this video. It's more in-depth. You're on the fast videos, technical demo videos here, source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm writing a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Metroidvania MMO Bomberman game. Yes, I'm doing it all, and I'm documenting every single line of code and open sourcing the engine. Like, subscribe, and follow.